Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Macau, and we have a very narrow alley. It's called a Beco, like a little tiny alley. Beco de Marques de Oliveira. Yet another Portuguese name. A lot of the streets have Portuguese names. If you know who this person is, let me know. There's actually also I think it's a rua, a street that's also named after him, but this is a tiny little alley. And another video in Taipa, I did what I thought was the narrowest alley, but this one is right on par with it as well. It's also up there, definitely the narrowest in Macau. I'd have to get a measuring stick to measure it between the one in Taipa. But anyways, this is where it's at on the map behind me, and let's just check it out for you. So let's take a look through my camera lens so you can see it for yourself. Macau. Okay, this is a little Beco, this tiny little narrow alley, and it'll go into something. And then it'll come out of this kind of base right in here. So let me just kind of give you some context of all the stuff that's around here. So you kind of have a lot of density and a lot of apartments and residential businesses pretty much everywhere. There's a Alegre theater down that way. We're going to go all the way down this little alley right in here. Okay, so we're going to follow this alley. And we're going to leave this street behind. It's kind of lift up a little bit. You see how narrow that is. Yeah, it's actually quite, like I think if I put my hands to the two sides, I would probably be able to stretch out and catch both sides. At the narrowest point. But the problem is I don't have anywhere to put the camera. Just kind of check that out real quick. Yeah, so I can do both sides like that. So this is not atypical. There are other narrow alleys as well. Here we are. Cake shop. Let's see. So we're just going to meander all the way through to the other side, give you an idea. So it looks like it's going to open up a little bit more in this plaza right here. There we go. It's even a little music shop. Let's walk up in here a little bit. Yeah, this is amazing. So you got all these buildings. Check this out. There's even some with some beautiful windows up there too. Okay, so we're gonna meander down, meander a little bit further. Okay. So we're gonna meander through this little alley as well. Let's see where this comes out to. So yeah, you just don't really know. And it's this little Beco. Then sometimes you have to check it and see if the Beco goes to other places too, because sometimes it does. This one's actually quite small. Very tiny little alley. Yeah, down here it's even smaller, so. Okay. So anyways, I guess we're gonna descend it for that one. We'll just come across here real quick. So now you're just kind of in the middle of all this other stuff everywhere. And that was our little alley right there. Right through the middle of these. So, okay. That space right there.